Hey everyone, welcome. It's Friday night and it's time for a cocktail, and tonight we're going to be making the deal closer. And what will we need for this cocktail? We will need vanilla vodka, Amaretto, Bailey's Irish cream, and dark crème de cacao. So the vanilla vodka is obviously going to give us vanilla flavors, the Amaretto is going to give us almond flavor, and the Irish cream is going to do its bit and just make it creamy and delicious. And the dark crème de cacao is actually milk chocolate flavored, so that gives us a bit of chocolate. So it's a really nice drink. It has no other modifiers in it, so it's all booze. Let's get into it. Okay, ice in the shaker. And we are going to need 30 mils or 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. $15 mils or half an ounce of Amaretto. Next is Irish cream, and we will need 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce. Move everything out of the way a bit. Whoa. Just got it in time. And lastly, we will need 15 mils or half an ounce of dark crème de cacao, also called brown crème de cacao, as on this bottle. It smells fantastic. Time to give this a shake. Okay, let's give it a good shake and make sure everything's mixed up and cold. You can feel that, it's getting pretty cold. Telling me it's time to pour. It has been a really, really hot day here today. We're not in summer yet, but it was 35 degrees Celsius, so that's pretty hot for this time of year. Hopefully it's not going to be a really hot summer, but it's fairly likely. Let's pour. No garnish needed for this one. So here we have the deal closer. Look at that, it looks creamy and delicious and nice and cold. Let's give it a try. Wow, that is really, really nice. I really like that one. Thanks for making this week's cocktail with me, and I hope you have a fabulous weekend and a very enjoyable Friday evening. See you next Friday for another cocktail. Cheers.